Welcome to Navitus Training Video 2, Energy and Mastery. This completes your Navitus training. Navitus is about high energy, not excitement, not adrenaline. High energy is clarity without tension, like drinking an energy drink without the shakes. Focused, steady, directed. If your energy is low, scattered, or emotional, wait. Navitus amplifies what you bring. It does not stabilize chaos. It structures strength. Attention is the mechanism. Where you place your attention, your intention is set. That is functional. Navitus also gives you flexibility. You can turn off water preparation. You can turn off user preparation. You can even turn off nucleate. You are not locked into one format. Experiment. Run sessions with full structure. Run sessions with parts disabled. Observe the difference. Measure your results. That is how mastery develops. Do not force outcomes. Do not push. Clarity is stronger than effort. Stability is stronger than intensity. Use Navitus when your energy is elevated and controlled. Bring strength. Bring direction. Stay consistent. Mastery is not complexity. Mastery is discipline. You bring the energy. Navitus provides the structure. That completes your training. Thank you for your focus. Welcome to Disciplined Intention.